Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to Pepe update today. So Pepe, it's gonna be an interesting update because I haven't talked about it maybe for 2 days, but I have actually made one shout out on my Discord that Pepe, and this was yesterday, might pump 40%, right? The cool thing about it is that we also took entries before the pump. So this was yesterday that I took an entry at the private at 1094, and yeah, I was actually looking to take profit at 1300, but now I'm telling my members that we're going to take profit at 1500. So it jumped from 1300 to 1500. We're winning 40%. So here's the drill, man. Here's the drill. And I'm going to tell you what happened, okay? I'm going to tell you where did all of a sudden, where did this came from. And that's the beautiful thing about crypto. Anytime it happens. Yes, there are bad days, and you can see now there are good days. So we visit back some few days ago when I told you that Pepe is following this trend line here, and according to this trend line, it could be that Pepe makes a fake out and goes up. So for example, we saw a double bottom here previously, and then it went up, and this time again we saw a double bottom, and I saw it breaking 1088, which I told you that if it actually comes to 1088, you're gonna move up, but if it goes down to 981, it's gonna go down. And I actually followed my own rule, and I noticed it broke 1098, and then I took the trading. I actually took the entry from 1094, and right now it has actually been a pump to the upside, and this pump basically is, I think right now we're almost like 8% up. So we still have a long way to go. Maybe another 30% from here is still coming up. And the thing is that I'm gonna tell you where this target is really coming from. So I decided to do one thing, and that is shift on the monthly time frame. All right, so when I did that, I shift on the monthly time frame, and the thing with the monthly is that I noticed Pepe had a very bullish closing, and that is the month of July had an inverted hammer. Do you see that? So based on the monthly candle, this inverted hammer shows that Pepe should be coming to at least back to 1470, right? So taking out 1470 can actually is just very close to that 1500, maybe even a little bit higher. We could even see like 1620, but actually let's just round off the number to 1500 for now. And that was the only thing. That was the only thing that made me realize, damn, this coin is still bullish. So we have September that can be bad, but what about August, right? We're still in August. September will come, and when September arrives, we're going to see what happens in September. But what about August? And then I was giving it a thought, and I was thinking really long and hard about it. And then I realized that, oh shoot, we have an inverted hammer. So on Google, let's do inverted hammer. So we have the inverted hammer like this, and it's a candlestick. And by the way, today I want to promote because some people are saying that they're losing a lot of money, and I'm actually gonna do one promotion, so bear with me. It is maybe for someone who, alright, we're gonna do this later. Okay, let's actually do some educational video. I'm gonna do this at the end so that you guys can skip the educational promotion and stuff. So I'm gonna do that at the end. Anyways, this is what it is, right? I just want to give you a very simple reference. This is the main purpose of the channel, guys, which I think I've lost it in a while, and that is to make things very simple, not overcomplicate anything. Inverted hammer, and ladies and gentlemen, that's what it is. This is inverted hammer. That's what it is. Okay, so you can see that whenever you have inverted hammer, do you see this green candle going up? This is August candle. This is like, right now the August candle is not fully complete just yet, but you can see that it is just on its way to become green and feel that inverted hammer. This is what is going to happen in the next 23 days. Okay, so it's a monthly candle. Yes, it's gonna take days and days, but if it goes the way I want it to go, if it goes the way I want it to go, you are looking at another 25% move to the upside. So if you go here and you do like Pirate, not Pirate Bay, but the Pirate Trader, you will find something that has been created for you. My goodness, where's my course? Alright, if I don't find it this time, then I'm not gonna even promote it. Oh, come on, man. Come on, the Pirate Trader. Adam Coin's Pirate Trader. What the hell? Where is it? Good grief. Okay. There's one last thing on the 4-hour time frame that I also want to talk about, and that is if we go back here on the 4-hour, and you can see how juicy of a pump this is, but there's one more evidence that even shows that Pepe is about to go back here, and that is if you notice this resistance that has been broken off, right? Pepe has broken above that resistance, and it actually looks like it is gonna do what? It's gonna go back, and that actually shows 14 and 79. Okay, so two proof, and this is what I was looking, and this was yesterday. This was the break that was happening yesterday at 7th of August, right? So I was noticing all of this thing together. I was trying to notice this and whatnot. All right, so finally what I was looking for is this one, right? This is a course I created some like 2 years ago, and I don't even talk about it, but I do have one. Like 100 of people used to take this course like 2 years ago, and there's so many topics in this course. People were saying that they need to learn trading. It is $249, but you're gonna get $50 if you pay with crypto. So message me on Discord if you want to keep learning. And all these candlesticks are actually covered in this topic, right? So there's so many candlesticks. Like topic number 15 talks about candlestick reading, and I've done so many candlestick. You're gonna be a professional, trust me. You're gonna learn a lot. Like you can see how many, like money management, chart reading, candlestick reading, psychology. I mean, everything is filled in this one course for you to become a profitable trader. But yes, for me, this is looking very, very good. One more pattern that is shaping up here is going to be this one here, and this is the last thing I'm going to talk about. So you're breaking above 1153. There could be a little bit of a chance to see a test back to 1146, and then from there just a very small pullback, and then we're going to see another technical target here to 1375, and then you break 1375. And once you're done breaking this 1375, pull down again and finally meet the 1500 department. Then we're going to see what really happens. Are we going to actually continue on in September, or is this going to be rejected and go down in September? We will see. There are high chances that August is going to be good, because that's how it is on the candlestick as I showed you. And then September can be a whole total different story, and we're going to actually see how the monthly time frame, the candlestick on the monthly ends. And I'm going to give you another reference just as I'm giving you this reference. Now understand this, guys. We do not want to see Pepe ever going below the monthly candle, because if you start to go below the monthly candle, that is like 913, then it actually invalidates the whole inverted hammer. As long as you don't do that, and I don't see it happening, right? But it's still important to mention you don't know about crypto. You do not know what happens in crypto, but that's what it is, right? So if anyone took entry back at the lowest part of that inverted hammer, your stop loss should be at 886. So that's it for the video, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Office.